First of all, take a neti pot with a nozzle that can be easily inserted into the nostril. 1 tablespoon of salt may be added into half a liter of lukewarm water. Now fill the neti pot with this water. Stand straight with legs apart. Lean forward from the lower back. Tilt the head to the opposite side of the nostril, whichever is more active at the moment. Insert the nozzle of the pot into the nostril, which is active at that moment. Open your mouth throughout the neti process and try to breathe through it. Let the water flow in through one nostril and out through the other nostril. After finishing half of the water of the neti pot, put it down and clear your nostril. Do rapid forcefully exhalation from both the nostril in left-right direction. The same thing should start from the other side. Do Jal Neti in sitting position also. For that, sit in Kagasana having a 1 foot distance between legs. Rest of all steps are same that I have previously explained. After performing Jal Neti, either Kapalbhati or Bhastrika Pranayam should be performed so that as to dry the nasal region. Sit in Kagasana having 1 foot distance between legs. Take a rubber catheter, head slightly up. Open your mouth and very gently insert the tube inside your nostril, whichever is active at the moment. Take care not to rush it. Do it very slowly. Push the tube into your nostril upwards till it hits the back of the throat. Your middle and index fingers to grab the tube from inside your throat. Pull the tube out so that part of it is just outside the mouth. Now using both hands, move the tube in a massaging motion to clean the nostrils and throat. Repeat the procedure with the right nostril. After the practice is over, remove the catheter and clean it.